What's up, baddies? What's up, gang? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this, stay true to this and hit the subscribe button. Today I'm going to be showing you how to be a baddie on a budget. This wig was under $20 on Amazon, so don't go nowhere. Let's get started. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished result. All I had to do was brush the curls out. I added some hair polishers to take away the frizz, and also I chopped the bangs just a little bit, just a tiny little bit, and this is what I ended up with. So if you guys are looking for a super affordable, super easy wig, make sure to check this wig out. All the details will be down in the description box below. This wig is from the Annisoul store. Thank you guys for sponsoring this post. This wig is the ombre brown color. It has two adjustable straps and it also has some combs. It also comes in a variety of colors. I believe they have 8 or more colors. It's definitely big head friendly. And keep in mind, it does shed a little bit when you're first styling it, but that's normal. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I give this wig a 10 out of 10. I definitely was afraid at first, and I definitely needed to trust the process. If trusting the process was a video or if it was a wig, it was this wig, because I was a little bit scared at first. I'm not gonna lie to you, but I think it came out so great. This wig is definitely pretty as hell, and it's giving scissor vibes for sure. Yeah, this is just so beautiful. Under $18, like, I can't believe it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to follow me on TikTok, Lady on the Moon. I'll write it right here on the screen. You can very much always find me on TikTok, so make sure to go support, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely subscribe, because I will be dropping more gems, putting you guys on to more Amazon wigs and to more wigs, and I'm just always going to be putting y'all on. So make sure to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned to Lady on the Moon, and I'll see y'all soon. I love y'all.